Alright, how you guys doing today? Today I want to show you pretty much the difference between a eBay HKS blowout valve, which are these two right here, and a Japanese one. So let's open up the eBay one that I got for like 60 bucks. Alright. Here it is. Here's one of them. This one's already open. The silver one. Here's the other one. And there's all the hardware it comes with. Pretty solid stuff. So these are the ones on the left side, or the eBay one for like less than 75 bucks. So this one is from Japan, the real stuff, supposedly. So let's open it up. So this one is like $300. Big shout out to Brian who sent me this to install on the MR2. And this one has a serial number. And this one does not. And as you can tell, the box been cut. Not as nice as this one. So the box looks very similar. The colors, this one's more darker on the red. Here's the back side of it. So pretty much identical boxing. Here's the top piece of it compared to two. So the eBay one have this on there, and the real one from Japan doesn't have that. So alright, let's open up the real HKS blowout valve, and it's nicely wrapped. Compared to this one, it doesn't have any wrapping. It's just the box and HKS blowout valve on there. And again, this is shipped from Japan. Japan Performance. Alright, let's see. What's the difference? They come with the manual. Look at these. These. Very similar to the eBay stuff. So this is the real hardware for it. Now the HKS part. Here it is. So that's the VIN number or the serial number on the blow-off valve. Should match the one that's on this one. There it is, 46878. 46878. This one isn't. This one has it too. And I will show you the difference between the two blow-off valve. Just the real stuff right here. Okay. I'll put this aside. All right, let's weigh the Real HKS blow-off valve. So this one is 1.18, 1 pound and 1.9 ounces. And then that's the eBay one, not even a pound. Okay. The other eBay one, supposed to be the rare, discontinued ones, apparently. It's not even a pound. It feels a lot different as well. This is way heavier. It looks like it's more material inside. So the inside of it, let me get the lighting for this as well. All right, let's compare the two. You see that part right here? It's like excess plastic sticking out. This one, very well made. As you can tell, let's see, put this plastic off. Maybe this one. This one feels like it's like double-sided tape. Like plastic. This one, the Japan, you can actually, like, you know, you can see the artwork and made in Japan very well. Compared to this one, it's very dull, feels very plasticky, and you can barely make it the made in Japan one. So side by side, it's just that, see, much a lot more clear. This one is just like dull, like the plastic's coming out of it. This one is pretty much more sharper, the image, and then HKS, the made in Japan logo. This one, not so much. The made in Japan is really small. And this one is just HKS. So we're gonna compare these two mostly. Same thing inside. The eBay one is pretty much a lot of plastic around it. And this one is pretty smooth. Yeah, this one feels a lot more heavier, a lot more durable. And if you look at the HKS on this one, the logo on the side, looks way better than this one. Looks very cheap. And they both have G176. And this one looks like it's sharper, more clear. This one's more like, it's like it's stamped on it. And as far as but other than that, So that's pretty much it. So when you buy HKS blow valve, make sure there's a box, kind of like that, and then the real one weighs 1 pound, 1.9 ounces. So that's pretty much how I determine. It just feels like this is more solid, more heavier than these two. So that's how I've pretty much compared the two. I'll compare the three differences on these ones. And even the HKS box as well. It's nice, evenly cut compared to this one. It's kind of like someone took a razor blade and just cut it real quick. But yeah. All right, I hope that helps for you to buy your next HKS blow valve.